Now, the WGAL News 8 Storm Team Forecast with meteorologist Ethan Houston.
Hold on to your hats. It is going to be a windy day today. We could see some strong wind gusts through the afternoon and early evening hours. Winds of this strength could cause some spotty power outages or bring down some tree limbs. So that's why today is an impact day. Still going to be windy tomorrow. It's just the winds will not be quite as intense. Those wind gusts could be up near 35 miles per hour. And it looks like it is going to be a pleasant Thursday with temperatures back up closer to seasonal averages, and the winds will be less intense. But we do have that wind advisory across the entire Susquehanna Valley until 8 o'clock this evening. Winds are starting to pick up in our eastern communities, a little bit calmer through the morning in Lancaster. Right now we're at 65 degrees, but the sustained winds now up to 18 miles per hour. In addition to the strong winds, we do have some passing light rain showers. We're zoomed in right now over Lancaster County. Heads up in Elizabethtown. The rain's not too far away from you. We're starting to see the rain come down very light just outside of Hershey, back towards Dillsburg in York County, and now starting to approach Gettysburg. So these on and off light showers will accompany these strong wind gusts as we go through the afternoon. Eventually these showers will start to fizzle on out, but not until we get past sunset. So any given location that sees the rain, it should last for about 20 to 30 minutes, perhaps upwards of an hour. So mixture of sunshine and clouds, gusty winds, a few passing showers, quite the range in temperatures. Some areas will stay near 60 degrees for our highs. A few spots will make a run into the upper 60s this afternoon. Now the winds will be less intense, but it's still going to be a windy night tonight. Lows will be down near 40 degrees, but when you factor in the winds and the cooler air, it's going to feel like it's near freezing by dawn tomorrow. And then for your Wednesday, it looks like it's going to be the coldest day of the next 10 with highs in the low to mid 50s. Here's a look at the current sustained winds, anywhere from 15 to near 30 miles per hour. That's averaged out over a 2-minute time frame, but we're seeing gusts now up to 30 miles per hour in Lancaster, close to 40 miles per hour for you folks in Lewistown, where it's just 48 degrees. Right now it's 65 currently in York and 66 in Carlisle. Cooler to the west, still milder in the east, but that cooler air is moving on in, and it's coming with those passing showers across much of the Commonwealth. So a blustery periods of showers throughout the day today. Notice here by the time we get past sunset, the showers start dying on out. Tomorrow is going to be a mixture of sunshine and clouds throughout much of the day, but then we'll start to see the clouds peel back and the winds will finally start to relax as the core of a ridge of high pressure starts to build overhead, leading to a pleasant Thursday with lots of sunshine, and temperatures will rebound after a cool day tomorrow. So we're back into the 60s by the time we make it into Thursday, closer to 70 degrees for your Friday. Be prepared for some passing showers and thunder showers to start Easter weekend, but we should dry back out for Easter Sunday with temperatures holding in the lower 60s. We stay warmer than average for much of next week.
Thank you, Ethan.